Rugby teams will be facing off this weekend in a round-robin 7-a-side rugby tournament. 5 teams have been confirmed to kickstart the first of a series of the Niue Sevens tournaments organized by the Niue Rugby Union. Alofi Tuapa Avasele Hakupu and Hikutavake are set to take to the field, all competing for the top spot as champion for the best of the 4 tournaments scheduled. However, an apparent shortage of player numbers, injuries, planning around sports codes and other issues have hampered local rugby developments, but the union hopes that with these tournaments they can drum up and revitalize the interest in the sport as they lead up to other development opportunities. The first game will kick off at 2:30, and that will be between Hakupu and Hikutavake this coming Saturday. And those are our news stories that we have for you this evening. We do hope you join us again for our next news bulletin next week. But don't forget to go and check out the Omatafua fundraising concert that will be held at Matave Resort. Doors open at 5:30 and the official program starts at 6 p.m. Whakakatoa mai hinei hata tōla tau wala tātu tupu ke lātai moe awhiawhi nei amna ki ni ke liriu ke whalue pehe nei ke whahe tuka hau wa nima ke hokua tua ke he tau whiua ia he mtakau Omatafua ni kua manaki whakahoko ke whale tau whenanga Matawai Resorts si kua manaki ke kamata he mtahala ono kai hawhangiai e re te mutuhale hawhantahala lima kai manak whukni ke tuku ata whanuena ke tau whanau ka whetau kua atu ke he tau whiua pile laka pifo ki he oki o ke whatau. Kia nono wha, nunipo ato liriu ato tōru ke whelewea.